wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sit-up pillows. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Betterrest Deluxe Incline is so comfortable to use for relaxation, you'll forget that it's also suitable for therapeutic use as a treatment for both acute and chronic spinal pain issues. Its memory foam core is enclosed in a soft terry cloth cover. It offers 2 reclining positions and a removable Velcro neck roll. However, it is difficult to sleep on. At number 9, not only is the Drive Medical Folding Wedge firm, supportive and easy to store, it's also one of the most affordable choices you can make. It can help relieve back pain, respiratory congestion, pregnancy discomfort, and heartburn from acid reflux. It's equipped with a convenient grip for carrying and measures 23 by 23 by 12 inches, but it doesn't have a lot of give. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Among the less expensive options is the comfysure bedrest, which features a memory foam core with a breathable zippered plush cover that can be tossed into the washing machine for a quick cleanup. While it's not up to therapeutic use, it's fine for watching TV or reading in bed. It's lightweight and portable with an integrated carrying handle. However, it's not as plump or cushiony as others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sit-up pillows, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, available in a compact petite version and larger adult size, the Milliard reading pillow has an easy care washable cover and convenient carrying handle for moving it from one place to another as needed, and some of the stuffing can be removed to reduce the firmness if required. It comes in a neutral grey colour and replacement zippered cases are available. It's a budget-friendly option too. Moving up our list to number 6, the Brentwood Originals bedrest has a solidly constructed base and arms, and it comes in a diverse range of colours and fabrics that are invitingly comfortable and attractive enough to fit right in wherever you need a place to kick back and relax. It's casual and affordable and makes a great gift for a college student. It's very easy to spot clean too. Halfway up our list at number 5, densely packed with shredded memory foam filling, the Keen Edge Home measures a full 20 inches tall, extending its cushioning support beyond the lumbar region to the upper back. It has a flexible storage pocket on the arm along with a sewn-in handle. It adjusts to your body contours and features a hypoallergenic fabric and stuffing and a soft washable zippered cover. At number 4, the unique filling of the linenspa reading pillow matches the contours of your body while providing excellent breathability, so you stay cozy and comfortable. Its soft plush velour cover is skin-friendly and fits in with any decor. It's made with durably finished seams and comes with a 3-year warranty. It's also available in an XL size. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. A removable roll cushion perched at the top of the husband pillow big bedrest provides that little bit of extra height to keep tension and discomfort from developing in neck and shoulder muscles, and a shredded memory foam filling makes it both supportive and plush. There are lots of color and fabric choices, all with a 36-month warranty. Interchangeable covers are also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sit-up pillows, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the brookstone bed wedge is a versatile firm support cushion that doubles as a leg rest and can also be used to gently elevate the head while lying down. It's covered in a soft, skin-friendly material and holds its shape well through frequent and extended use. It adapts to various resting positions and is great for reading or watching TV. It doesn't squash or slide out of place. And taking the top spot on our list, the Avana Kind Bed Adjustable Orthopedic Comfort System does far more than prop you upright. Its 4-piece contoured design can be configured in a number of different ways to provide therapeutic support of the spine and head for minutes, hours, or days of reclining. It's made from breathable antimicrobial materials and is a sturdy multi-layer construction. The covers can be removed for laundering. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sit-up pillows, or simply click beneath this video.